your girl Janey, and for the life of me, welcome back to 4D Life of Me. If you're new, where you been? And if you subscribe, welcome back. And okay, ignore my hair. Ignore my hair. Don't act like you don't have bad hair days. So I'm gonna show you guys real quick how to achieve that look for less money, less time, and less the weight. So I just unraveled the front part of my hair so I can show you how I did it for shorter time. So I used 5 packs of hair total, and then the blue hair behind is the Bobbi FAUX LOCS Soul, and I used 3 packs of that, so 2 blues and 1 regular 1B, and then I used the mono mambo FAUX LOCS by the Janey collection. So without further ado, let me show you guys how I achieved that look you saw in the start of the video. First things first, you want to part your hair. I'm gonna move this a little bit up. You want to part your hair in like an inch or 2 sections like this, and then you gotta moisturize your hair because it's gonna be heating a lot under that braid. So I'm going in with my homemade whipped shea and cocoa butters, and then tip first, work all the way to the roots into 3 equal pieces because we're gonna braid it. And so 1. So I braid the start because I'm going to crochet it in, and I like it to have a good base, a good foundation base. Then you can just go in and twist if you want, because I prefer to twist, it's easier to unravel. You can use a braiding hair if you want. I choose not to, at least for this front part, because my edges are so delicate and I'm trying to grow them back in. To reduce the weight of it, you don't need to use, what's it called? You don't need to use braiding hair. So I'm just taking from this pack. They come straight like this. They're pre-made FAUX LOCS, as you can see here. Then take my crochet needle, open the latch like so. Put it through the braid to the opposite side, push that away, then put it through the loop of the FAUX LOCS braid, close the latch, and bring it out on the other side. Holding the loop open, pull the FAUX LOCS braid through and then secure it tight. So you can hold your own hair and pull on, but not with force. Don't rip your hair out, right? So this is done. So the real trick here is how to hide your hair under the FAUX LOCS braid. So if you look closely, it is twirled this way. It's twirled to the right. So if you want to unravel it, you have to open it like this. So you open it a little bit, put your hair under, and then twirl to the right the way it was made, right? So you wrap it around your hair to the right, in the direction the lock was made. If you did it in the opposite direction, it's not going to work. So you do it in the direction the lock was made, and make sure to push it back at certain intervals. Same way you will have wrapped lock hair around your hair if you were doing it from scratch, right? Only this time it's less tight and less heavy. So that is done, and then you just like adjust it so it closes right, and then look guys, it's done. That's easily done. I'm going to show you one more time on how I achieved. So I had gone ahead and like finished these locks off camera, and this is an important part where I switch it from straight to goddess locks. So I'm going to use a perm rod. You can use a flexi rod if that's what you have, and it's important how you roll this around. So you want to not just wrap around, you want to twist and roll, twist and roll around the rod, and then secure it. Careful guys, this is really risky part, and then just dip it in for so remember when I said I preferred the Bobbi Buz hair to the Janey collection hair? It was because of this. The curls look different. Janey collection, and then this is the one from the Bobbi Buz. Even though I wrap them the same way. Other than that, the curls look more natural as the days go. And then there you have it guys. That's the quick, easy way to get locks for cheap. So thank you for waiting to the end. So now I'm going to show you how easy it is to take down and unravel this hair. So first things, you want to get yourself your favorite oil. I'm using some grapeseed oil, and like put your fingers with it. Then technique is, I'm gonna start with this piece. You wanna find where your hair is attached to the braid and just like pull it out. See right there. And then you just find the loop, because it's looped right here. So you just find the loop, push it out, push, because remember you put it in too. And then it just comes out really easily. I've been able to leave a 40 smile on your face today. If I have, signify by giving me this video a thumbs up. Don't forget to like and share and subscribe, because I might be doing more videos like this if you guys like this. Tell me which hair you prefer, the Bobbi Buz hair or the Janey collection hair. Remember, I'll show you one more time. Bobbi Buz, Janey collection. Tell me what you prefer in the comment box below, and I'll be doing more fruit tutorials like this. Till next time guys, it's your girl Janey. Bye.